Hey, morning, gang, and happy Wednesday. I just had to have the Trading Cowboy remind me what the heck day it is because we've been having way too much fun, and we just don't even know anymore. It's hard to keep our
We
mind
don't
just
know. We don't
straight,
know.
right? Exactly, man. But we're bright and early for you, 9:28. We still have a minute and a half until market opens. Basically yesterday, Tuesday, 9:30, we had this huge ripper, and honestly, we've just been grinding up ever since, and then had another nice little pop and ripper last night. So looking at everything, I have no idea, man. As always, no friggin' idea. you
I
know,
don't know.
looking at the 1 hour, we've kind of hit a lot of stuff already. Like 177 seems to be a beautiful stopping point. If we can break 177, then we're just bound and determined to, I think, hit the 400s again.
Yeah, I think you're
But
exactly right. I mean, this 177 is definitely some resistance.
oh shoot, man, it's not even showing it here. I am talking, and I don't even have my hourly screen up here. Sorry, guys. Well, good. There we go. All right, we'll figure that out later. What time is it? 9:29
Got
and
about 20 seconds.
40. Yes, sir. Man, what are we feeling this morning, though? I'm
I
almost
mean, right
thinking.
here, is it just going to try to run up and hit the high and reject, or?
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking like a 180 rejection, and then we're just gonna get blood today. I'm thinking red for the first little bit here. Let's see.
Oh
There's our
yeah, we have
180
to.
hit. Trying
Wow.
to pop it up. Man, I'm gonna do something. Oh man, it would be so dumb though. I'm almost about to go short right here just because it hit that 180.
I mean, I don't hate it, but
I'm gonna be
I
patient. Let's
mean,
be patient
208
today.
is a pivot point on the daily, and then 217.50 is a pivot point. So
Man, we're still
it's
just
kind of bouncing
smoking
off
up.
that 208.
Just absolutely blasting up for the first 40 seconds here with no quit at all. 210 even. Good grief, still going. No retracement in sight yet. 215, 220. Hey, morning driving obsession. How we
Good
doing,
morning.
sir? 224.
Oh, I wanted to try it at 220. I'm glad I didn't.
I know, man. I'm glad I didn't do it at 180, That's 50 points now.
There's your drop. So
Let's see. Is it going to hold it or is it going to go? Nvidia gapped up. VIX isn't doing much. ES just blasted through the roof. Q's blasted up. Got 20 seconds left of this candle.
I love how we're a minute and 50 seconds in and we're already counting the candles saying, okay, this one's fixing to close. What are we doing?
I know it, man. I mean, again, we talk about it honestly. We talk about it almost every single morning. But again, how slow those first 2 minutes are, man. Like we've been sitting here for an
Yep.
hour. It feels like, you know. And in my mind, I've already FOMO'd both directions.
Yep.
Trying to get this music to work too. My music's not working. Why is my music not working? Come on, you silly thing. Why is this not working? Dang it. Sorry, gang. Trying to get some music for us.
That may be wrong, but I'm going to try just a little short right there. Stop above the high.
Ooh.
It may just rip my face off, but
You're sleepy, baby.
we got to get that blood
See.
pumping chat. So
Doesn't need
Yeah.
just the tap.
It's working so far, man. Working so
I'm
far.
gonna put my, well, no, I'm not either. Push right back up. If it rejects this high again, I may add into it.
No, I mean, if you want to make some tea, that would be great. Unless you want to go get the boat. Do you want to go get the
And this
boat?
looks like an ideal bull flag too. So
Yeah, shoot. Well, I don't know. Nvidia's starting to look a little weaker.
and it may have been a little too early, but I was just kind of playing off the Nvidia. Kind of had a pivot point coming up,
Yeah.
but it is making a beautiful bull flag. If it can break below, if it can break below 209 maybe.
But this is what we talked about too. I mean, kind of our thesis was rip up to the. I mean, we were thinking 180s, ripped up to the 230s, and then maybe end up being a red day after that. Nvidia is turning red, so it'd make a lot of sense. You'd want to go down to fill that gap.
So there's a nice push up.
Shoot. $9.34. We have 50 seconds left. Nvidia's forming a doji. VIX is coming down though. 224. What would it be? It's 257 maybe on the hourly. 293. Clean up the 300s. Why is this not working? Oh man. Guess you guys don't get no music today. Boo. Huh. Well, ooh, actually, that short.
What time are you going today?
I don't know, because I gotta get the boat too. If I'm being honest, I'm hoping that I'm green early so that I can. I know, maybe I can be green early. I gotta go pick up my boat from the dealership. They've been it was ready like 6 days ago now or 7 days ago, but it's been so cold and everything too, and I've been busy, so I haven't bothered with it. And
Oh yeah.
so they're starting to get like, "Hey man, we need that space." I'm like, "All right, I'll go." Hey Miguel, morning.
Good morning, Miguel. Good to see you, buddy.
Which again, the pain in the dick. It's a $1,300 oil change for that boat.
Oh.
$1,300.
Wow.
Stinking people.
It really wants to push, chat. Really does.
Dude, I know. I honestly, I can't believe that it just keeps pushing like this. 258, maybe 258 is a resistance point, but yeah, shit is just going. Oh, you covered.
Yeah, we're still up 650 for the day.
Still up 650 on the day. Was that $6?
$6.50.
Oh, $6.50. Dude, nice though, man. You got out clean.
We
You know?
tried. We tried. I mean, we were up pretty good before that, but
Yeah. Man, you got out as I'm starting to. Again, I probably pay a little bit too much attention to like Nvidia. You know, I look over there, I see that thing just. Man, it's getting weak. It definitely wants to. It definitely wants to close that gap. But then
and that's kind of the only
ES.
reason I was kind of sticking around. But
Yeah. But then ES and friggin' Qs are just going for it, man.
and you know, 9 times out of 10, usually our first move on open is the wrong move. So
Right. Right.
really
I
kind of
couldn't
explains
believe.
that a lot.
Yeah. I mean, think about that. The very first candle, I was about to jump in the second it hit 180. I was like, it's definitely
Yeah.
going to do its usual
sure.
retracement, and it didn't.
And now here's going to be the drop, I bet.
Right. I mean, we got this massive shelf right here at 222. Otherwise, look at all of our liquidity is down here at 140s. So, I don't know, man. It kind of gives some credence that eventually we're going to fall. Man, I'm almost tempted to do that, actually. Put on the short right now. Oh, it's going to be friggin' too late now. But put on the short. Put the stop at 300. Put the take profit at 150.
Yeah. Let's let this candle close and see if we get a little pop back up.
Nvidia's still getting red,
green.
man. The only thing I don't like is VIX is still just going down, which is kind of surprising to me. What time is it? Here's our brand new candle right here. Ooh, is the devil going to trap me? I think I'm going to go for the short in a sec. Struggling. Let's see what this, I guess what our, like you call it, the last 40-second push here on this 5 minute.
Yeah, we're really trying to get that push, but it's really fighting. There it is.
Oof, went to 255, it wicked it. As Nvidia turns green. What a crazy day. Maybe today is just a green day. We had the, you know, the Trump, surprise!
What is it?
Hey, I like your shirt.
Dad,
What?
I did strawberry and mango with it.
Ooh.
A little short off the top right there, guys.
Oh, thanks.
Just to see what happens.
It's Rory's special concoction.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. That's gonna taste really good.
Daddy, try it.
Oh, ooh, it might be too hot. Yeah, usually tea you gotta wait a second with tea.
Let's smell it.
It smells good. You're right.
Ooh, it actually does actually.
Ooh, it actually does.
So, what are you doing?
Yeah, come here. You can come say hi.
Okay.
Come on and say hi to everybody.
Hi, Trading Cowboy.
Good morning, buddy.
Oh, man, shoot. Well, you know what? It goes down to always read the candles and don't go off of your bias. My bias is short just because of NVIDIA, but I'm not really getting short confirmations on NQ. I just have a stupid bias.
Yeah, for real. I mean, it sure looks like it's weak.
Yeah.
I mean, it
It
just
does.
Yeah, it just keeps pushing. Man, I don't know if I do want to hold this to 300 now. Now it almost seems like it wants to go to 300. Yeah, son of a gun.
Yeah, I mean, our 1 hour, our next pivot point's not till 3:22.
Yeah, I don't want to ride it that far. Nvidia's still pushing the stinker. ES is coming back down a little. Oh, I don't even have that. That's the 15 that's up there right now. No, baby, it's way too hot. You would understand if you tried to drink it right now too. You'd be like, yipes. Alright. Come on. Let's get a reaction down, please. Let's get a reaction down, please. What?
You gotta see this video that Crystal just sent me.
Too fast. Look what kind of fucking ice cream is they making for them. When did they start making pop nickels? I'm serious. When did they start making pop nickels? And what kind of chemicals are they using for it to flip and flop like that?
Yeah, I remember Walmart.
I'm concerned. The ice cream
Yeah,
sandwiches
it came
weren't
out.
melting.
Yeah, ice cream sandwiches that didn't melt. You could leave them in the sun for as long as you wanted. They never melted.
Pop nickels.
Popsicles.
All right,
Popsicles.
yeah, you might want to. Come on.
Popsicles.
Let's be smart about that.
How do we get these popsicles?
Well, shoot, another friggin'.
No popsicles.
Little bull
I
flag.
don't understand. Yeah, that was really silly, babe.
Go.
Alright, I'm bringing this stop down. This thing is too strong. We're just gonna get it. Fucking hell.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Well, darn. Which I guess I should have given that a second longer, because who knows, like the 80s, you know, 80s could always be a rejection point. But man, I
Right,
can't believe
yeah.
how strong this thing is.
It is pushing. We got about a minute left for our 15-minute close, so.
Man, what do you do though? I mean, the shorts aren't working out, but I don't necessarily want to go long here. You know?
Yeah, I mean we've kind of missed 3 bull flags here, so
Yeah.
if you're not in, you just got to sit and be patient, kind of wait for that 320 pivot point, which is a little crazy, but or you YOLO short. I mean,
Right.
it's hard to go long right here now.
Yeah, it's hard to go long.
I mean, again, another bull flag just pushing.
Wow. Well, 15-minute range is set. Let's see.
There's the 300s. Probably no rejection there. Thought we might get a little.
Just blasting. Blasting off. Yeah, I mean, if it clears this, like you said, probably 320s, then 347s.
Yeah.
Charles wants the
Exactly.
25,300. Well, you got it, bud. It's right there. Shoot, man. We called out the 400s
Yeah, good
this
job,
morning,
Charles.
too, but I definitely thought it was going to be, I don't know, I thought it was going to be a little bit redder than this. Just setting up for all day longs.
Order filled.
It shouldn't even keep going up. I just placed this trade thinking this is definitely a losing trade. Now it's just going up,
And you're winning.
you know? Crazy. Still pushing.
Stop filled.
Well, got a little back. Huh, yeah, 12-point trade right there. When it shouldn't have worked out. Alright, come on, pretzel. That's why we're not doing good. Log in here, log in there. Why is this login not working? Oh, fuck you. I hate these verification codes every single time. It's like,
Oh
gotta do a
yeah,
verification
man,
code.
every time.
Literally, man. It's like we're harboring nuclear secrets.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. And here's another thing that's stupid is 1 5 as I say the friggin' password out loud. um, so for this pretzel music, the music, service that I use, it
Yeah.
has you log in with your Twitch account, which I didn't have a Twitch account. So I had to create a Twitch account, and I had to create a Twitch account with my Gmail account. So it's like,
Oh.
but you can't use your Gmail account to log in. You have to use a Twitch account. So I created a Twitch account with a Gmail account to then use the Gmail account to log into the Twitch account to then log into my pretzel account. The fuck? Oh, you flattened? Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Took a big hit on that.
Dude, I can't believe it's still ripping. I got out at 318, still ripping. Miguel! Man, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We haven't had a trend day actually in a long time. That's going to screw a lot of people up. If today's a trend day where it just goes up and up and up and up and up.
Yeah.
We haven't had one of those in forever. Yeah, I mean, I guess unless it let's say unless it breaks 242, we should probably only be looking for buy opportunities, right? Oh, is this dude's in? Are you in a short right now?
Yeah.
I'm saying my dumb little monologue, and you're like, blue short.
Well, it's right there at that pivot point, and it pushed under it. So I thought, well, maybe we'll get a little drop, but
Yeah,
it's clearly just making another bull flag.
man, this is just a crazy stinking market today. It's gonna screw a lot of people
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, see, and it's still pushing up. So yes, sir. I got the feeling we're going to be real profitable this year. Let's go, Greg and Cowboy. Yeah.
You. As long as we don't keep fading each other.
Fade away, my friend.
Fade away, fade away. I mean, same thing though. It's not even sensible. This isn't a sensible trade. It's not a sensible trade by any means. We're right at the top. We've been ripping up 200 points. But what the fuck?
Yeah,
Why
so
is
there's
it
a great
working?
push.
Why
There's
is
a
it
great
working?
push, yeah. Yeah, great push.
Jesus, man. It's gonna fuck a lot of people up today. There's gonna be a lot of shorts that just keep covering. Yeah, we gotta switch, bud. No more shorts. No more shorts for you today, sir. Your longs only.
Only goes up.
Yeah, stocks only go up.
But I like this right here.
You're not going short, bud. You're not going short. You're not going short.
Oh, shoot.
I mean, even right now, NVIDIA, no quit tour, blasting through the roof. I'm trying to scroll left as fast as I can to see where the hell's it even... Well, maybe this is its support, but if not, it's fucking... It has another probably 3 points even to run. I can see 197s for NVIDIA today. Oh, you motherfucker, you're in a short. I look away for a half a second and I go, you know what? He's in a short, isn't he?
I waited for you to look away.
Wait until Daddy was out of the room and then I decided to sneak my short in. You little guy. Oh my god, yeah, I just scrolled so far over for NVIDIA. Now I'm just trying to scroll back. Get it back, 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 get it back. Wow, crazy. There it is. Alright, well, your short's working out. Your short's working out.
We got some ground to gain, so yeah.
How about on the 4 hour? Man, it still seems like we should hit 416 today. We're so close at this point.
Right.
Did you watch any of the address last night?
I've watched some of this
Yeah, the clips.
redo this morning on Fox News. Yeah, some of the highlight clips and stuff. So
Yeah.
sounded like it was pretty intense, huh?
Yeah, man, it was nuts. We watched a little bit. I was actually, man, yesterday was a crazy day. These have been long days lately. So like I woke up at, I don't know what time I woke up, 8:30 or something, helped out with the kids, helped out with the farm, did all that silliness. Hold on, let me turn this thing down. The fuck is this now? What you saying over there? Huh? But yeah, so then stream from 9:30 until whatever we did. It was a quick one yesterday too, 10:30. Went over, did that fireplace thing, got home around like 7:30, and then jumped right into making that video. Which, did you get a notification as a collaborator or no?
No, I didn't.
If you like go on YouTube, you don't get the notification? I might have to... I don't know if I had to text that every single time or not.
Let me go look at the bottom down here.
Wait, whoa, blocked? Why is it blocked? I was going to say, it's actually not doing well. It only has 47 things, but it says it's blocked. Oh, you know, I bet you it's just blocked in a couple of regions.
Oh.
The fuck?
Yeah, if I go under collabs, it just has that first video.
The copyright protected content detected is not allowed in shorts longer than 60 seconds. But I didn't have the music longer than 60 seconds.
Oh.
That's frustrating. Review issue. What is the issue? Video can't be seen or monetized. Great. Trim out segment. Yeah, erase song. Well, we'll just fucking erase the song then, you assholes. That was dumb. It was kind of nice with this song. I liked it with this song. Oh, here we go. There it is. Let's see. What is this market doing, by the way? Is your short still short? And are you still in this short? The short that I told you
Oh,
not
yeah,
to take?
I'm still in, guys. It's up about 30 points right now.
Shoo!
Keeps bouncing, though. I feel like we're just going to get another nice pop.
I know. I was thinking about it. It was funny, too. I was going to go long 2 minutes ago before I got buried into my phone. My stop was going to be the 21, so 296, which I'm kind of glad now I didn't do that. VIX is popping back up. VIX is all the way back up to the top of its shoulder. And VIX just broke its shoulder, so I guess we gotta see. We gotta see. Nvidia's curling back just a little. I mean, it makes sense for us to finally get a little pullback.
Yeah, I went ahead and took one more off. I got one left. I got
Nice.
the stop just about 10 points above the high, 12 points above the high.
Oof, watch this thing just rip again. About to melt another face. Come on, come on. Little higher, little higher. Fuck. I tried to switch that to a stop really quick. That's alright. That's alright. We're doing alright. Man, these pops are crazy though. 40 to 50. That was another just quick little 10-pointer scalp. Sorry, gang. I know I'm not really calling these ones out. We're just kind of doing our thing.
And I just kind of added into that, guys, right as it came back to where my entry was, because it kind of made a new high, but it's kind of double top there, so gave it a little bit extra room.
Here's
it
our
may
new.
just pump right here, but
Well, yeah, we're
VIX going up.
about to get our new 1
I have
hour.
to take a chance. I mean, ES is dropping, so
Man, I'm trying to get that 1 hour
No,
pop
we're-
real quick. See if I can't
Yeah,
get
for
that
sure.
1 hour pop. Come on. Give me something better than that, though. Oh, fuck you, Greg. Stop putting your stop so tight. Ugh. Well, hopefully, watch is gonna. All right. So I'm
yeah,
happy.
it's making a nice wolf flag again, right?
Too volatile. I guess I'm happy. Stupid thing. Man, it's another nice looking bull flag though. But if you look at the 1 hour, there's so much room to come down now to do a little retest, right? And there's so much
Yeah, we're not
liquidity
getting
underneath
anything.
us.
I mean,
Like-
ES looks super weak now. It's back above its box.
Yeah. But like look at the shelf at 222, you know, that's so much liquidity. Or even our biggest volume shelf is still down here at the 140s.
Yeah.
So kind of crazy, if I'm being honest, that we keep going up, which might be why we keep going up, because everybody, like you, is shorting,
Right.
and you're pushing us up. It's nuts to see. Little push off the 9 here. Oh, I hate that you and I are out of sync right now, man. I hate it.
Well, we're not out of sync. I mean, I'm definitely want to be long, but man, it's just so far up here.
Oh, I know
I mean,
it,
kind of
man.
every shelf, you know, it kind of gets to that shelf, it pulls back, and
Right.
so I think, okay, this is the top.
This is finally it. I know. And then me on the, I keep thinking like, man, maybe I should just jump in again. And then I'm like, oh, he's still short though. I can't jump in if he's short.
I mean, I'll probably miss this whole move, but yeah, it's just consolidating right now just to get that little pop. I mean, our wicks are pointing straight up. But I mean, we've had a 200 plus point move.
Right. Well, and like
right
you
at
always say,
200, so
and the 945 candle, the 5-minute candle has no bottom wick. That's at 272. So that would be a pretty good retracement. That'd be a 100-point retracement to clean up that bottom wick. Yeah, maybe that's it as well, you know. There's so many days that it'll fall for the first half hour, you know, and then we'll get that V-shaped recovery. So what's to say that at 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock is always the V-shape. So maybe now is the, what do you call
right,
it?
yeah.
Like the N of death? Like, what is this?
Yeah. Yeah, what is that called?
Right? If you got a V-shaped recovery. Huh. I guess it'd just be an inverted V. You just call it maybe an
Yeah,
inverted
there
V.
you go. Inverse V pattern.
Right. Hey, where's Zero Dawn today, too? Where's our friends?
I don't know. He was on yesterday. Driving Obsession popped in yesterday, so it's good to see
Nice.
everybody on there. So
Yup. Nice, nice. I know, man. Those long streams, those are working really well for you, man. You're getting really solid views and everything, too.
it just gets a little tiring.
It does. It does, man. It gets
I
tiring.
mean, I feel like you talk so much, and I'm not a talker anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll let my wife talk to me when we get home, you know. But I notice about, after this one,
Yeah.
I get a little rest, and then an hour into the other one, I feel like my tongue is just huge.
Yeah,
You
dude.
know,
It
I
just.
can't hardly talk.
Yep. It just stops, man. I know it. I know, and I have one of those personalities too. It's. I don't know if you've ever taken those. What are they, like, personality tests and stuff like that?
Yeah.
I have one of those weird personalities where, like, I'm extremely talkative, but then, like, 7 years ago or 8 years ago, I started realizing it was annoying to people. It was just too much talking. So then I shut myself down, and I completely switched my personality over to more of a, quiet and listen and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So now I got to try to force the talkative part back out of me again, and I'm not like a talkative person again. I don't know, man. It's kind of a confusing thing to say. It's a confusing thought even in my head, but as I'm talking too much, I'm like, I'm not even a talkative person anymore. Talk.
Yeah, I mean, I can talk to my friends and my buddies and stuff, no big deal, but then getting on stream when there's nobody in the room with you,
Yeah.
and you're having to just, like, if the chat's not going, I mean, we're not getting anything right now. The chat's not, everybody's scared to trade,
Right.
and
There's nothing.
and so you have to just talk to yourself. And
You
you're
got
like, okay,
zero
what do I talk
feedback.
about? What do we,
Yeah.
guns and trucks and electric vehicles, and I mean, you're coming up with every exercise, what you eat.
Right, dude. Right, man. Well, and I guess that's the weird thing about me is I'm almost more comfortable and better doing this than I am, like, I feel like if I'm in person, I shut down conversations quick. Because I'm like I get disinterested quick, and then I'm like, I don't want to be here right now. I want to do anything but this. But then when I'm sitting in this chair, man, yeah, I could just, as we're doing it right now, I can just fucking go and go and go and go and go.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets to the point, with some of the first ones, I was trying to come up with stuff. So you're over here trying to AI, like, what do you talk about?
Right.
What is everybody's interest? And, and it comes up with stuff like, well, and I was like, I can't remember what YouTube said, but, like, one of the deals, like, I had, like, some people that were, my age and older. So I was like, okay, so what do they talk about? And they're like, well, ask them about their medication. And I'm like, you can't ask them what people what do people take for their heart medication?
Right.
Like, what?
So what are you guys' thoughts on
I'm like,
Prozac?
okay.
What is your guys'
Yeah.
That's so funny, dude. So funny. Well, like I said, man, I'm living my geriatric life now as well, because literally this morning.
Geriatric.
Yeah. Literally.
You're not geriatric.
Literally this morning, I had to do yoga exercises for my back, because I was a Division I high jumper. I think I've said that before.
Yeah.
And two of my discs right now, whenever I push, like whenever I don't know, put my back together, my discs just don't have any cushion anymore. They just squash together. As I'm looking at this, man, if we break 305, and you're back in that little shorty short, aren't you?
Oh, I've been in the whole time, bro. I'm gonna take one off right there at the 320s.
He goes, man, I never left. I never left this life. Let's see what she does at the 310s.
I mean, we're up about 40 points at the 310s, so.
Beautifully done. Beautifully done.
And it's kind of funny, and maybe it is just old age, but yeah, I mean, I get up every morning. I do it at night, but I get up every morning. I have the same stretch routine.
Yeah.
You know,
It's
I
smart.
get my lower back moving real good. You
Yeah.
know, you stretch your hips.
Yep.
And I'm probably way more flexible than I was when I was, you know, in high school and stuff. But
Yeah.
now
Yeah,
it's
because
because
you're
I have
actually,
to.
yeah, working towards it and stuff now, man. I know, and it's such a funny thing too. It's such a funny thing that like you're like, nah, not me. I'll never have to do that shit. And like, yeah, here I am doing an open book this morning, and then a fucking I don't know what it was called, like a reach through and all this other dumb shit. You know, I'm
Yeah.
like, good God.
And you know, if you don't do it, you're gonna tweak your neck or your shoulder when you pull your towel off the hook when you get out of the shower.
Right.
That's the
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, man. I know. My buddy and I were joking about that the other day too. That we got winded just digging around in our back seat. You know, it's like,
Yeah.
come on, man.
So chat, y'all aren't saying nothing. So if y'all don't like what we're talking about and y'all just want to come up with a conversation piece for us to start on, just pop
Right.
it in the chat. And
If
we'll
you want to start talking about
that.
Prozac, we can talk about Prozac. We got our new
Really
5-minute
nothing. I mean,
candle in 30 seconds here.
if we can break through these 320s to the downside, if 320s hold though, this might be a nice inversion back up. We're getting the wicks up, but kind of the bottom side of that's kind of a nice bear flag. So
Yeah, I know. A second
really
ago,
anything.
when that candle was green, I was thinking that might be a good long, but yeah,
Right, yeah.
now she's looking real heavy again.
I mean, Nvidia was definitely the play today. I mean,
Oh,
you'd be
yeah.
up almost $3 right now.
Rocket
It's starting
ship.
to pull back finally, just as this 5-minute candle opened on it.
Rocket ship.
And ES kind of looks, to me, ES kind of looks a lot weaker than NQ right now. So
Oh yeah, it looks like a head and
maybe it'll pull us
shoulders.
back down. I don't know.
Doing little head and shoulders. Looks like we might, I don't know, form an M. Maybe we're gonna form an M. Looking at the 5-minute, you know. Man, again, great call out on the screen. I love having this screen here. Honestly, I just don't even switch screens that often, but I think that this is almost a little bit more beneficial anyways.
Right. Yeah, and I'm gonna try to look. I got up about 5 this morning here, and I was looking on OBS and stuff, just trying to chat GPT some of the stuff, and I'm kind of curious. I'll try it later, but it looks like we can because I don't open OBS when we're on here, but I think I can open it and it still record my screen. But I think I can do a screen preview and preview the screen that you have, and I can switch my screens, you know, through OBS, so I can pull up a different chart or anything at the same time too. So,
And show it and scroll it through and stuff like that. Man, that would be
without changing the screen. So.
that would be sick, man. Because obviously, like, there's plenty of times too that you'll talk about levels and things like that. Man, I kind of FOMO'd into this short here. I was thinking because we broke this level, and then we broke the 308s too.
Yeah, I mean, we kind of want to see the 320s reject it. On the 5-minute, it kind of wicked back and kind of bounced off that 303.
Yeah.
And I don't know if... And these are just the standard pivot points that I have, but that's just kind of... I can drag it over, but there's that pivot point at the 320s on a 5-minute.
Come on.
And it's basically the exact same as what you have up there.
Right.
There's our 15, which clearly cleared the top and dropped. It's retraced a little over half. It's trying to hold half of this previous wick. Our 1 hour was even a better tail. I mean, that's kind of why I got in. That 343, 349 area was kind of the shoulder of these two candles. So
yeah.
That's why I popped it short when it went back to that. So, but if you look at the 1 hour, I mean, if we retrace that whole candle, I mean, look at that. I mean, even if we just went halfway down, that's the 250s.
Right. Shoot, man, we just had a strong wick up there, which hopefully means we're about to go south. Strong wick up to the 328s, which I think a lot of people were thinking what you did. Let's stay below the 20s, so hopefully, again, We should be shooting south now. Come on.
If we kind of draw that trend line now, since we kind of finally have a top.
Come on. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it.
And like you said, if we do, I mean, I think we could target 280 maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can get that 272, 273, but 280 would be a safe if we can continue down.
Shoot, come on. I know, it's just dancing with the idea.
And opposite, right? If we get back above 25 right here, then we may consider going back long for an inversion back to the top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm going to bring both my stops down to the 32s now.
Yeah, if somebody was in at the 20s, I think the high above that 32, stop right above there is a good safe 10, 12 point stop.
Come on.
And that's the hard part too, right, guys? I mean, we were just banging 100-point trades yesterday. And
dude,
then today may
right?
not be today. I mean,
right.
And they say that's when you become a good trader, right? I watched a deal the other day that said you become a good trader when the market crushes your feelings. When you don't have feelings anymore and
right.
you're not committed to a trade, you become a good trader.
Mm-hmm.
And then I saw a barber on there this morning that was kind of crazy. He's got this real nice barber shop, and he's got his toolbox with all his tools on it, and above it, he's got his computer up there about 2 foot off and he's trading. And he's in a trade, and he's cutting hair, but he does like 2 swipes of the guy's head and looks at his chart. 2 swipes of the guy's head, looks at his chart.
Man, so that's what I found with a lot of stuff too. Like I used to was a little bit of an ownership of that laser shop, and then I actually backed away from it because the partnership honestly didn't work out. But yeah, there was times too that I would finish the stream here, I'd go to the laser shop, start churning out some cups and stuff like that, and I would have my computer in front of me, and it was a 2-minute run time for the cups that we were engraving for that event that we had. And yeah, man, it was like, I would hit go on the engraver, and then I'd be back to my charts, just looking, and then go, and then looking. And then I would try to use it as like my, I'd be in a trade, and then I'd have to switch the cup out and stuff like that, and like, restart the computer, and that process takes like 30 seconds sometimes or something. So I'm like, okay, perfect. I got to walk away from the trade for 30 seconds, and I'm going to come back to green, And then I'd come back, and then friggin' blew up another account. I'm like, no. Man, your short is still shorting, buddy. Shoot,
Until
man.
we break above the trend line right here, I mean, I think you just kind of hold it. You
Yeah.
can trail it down. Maybe now, if somebody was kind of wanted to be a little cautious, just kind of trail it to the previous candle's wick.
Yeah. Shoot, man, I got out at 306. Too cautious again. Always too cautious.
I mean, yeah, we got about 60 points right there, guys. So.
Man, that'd be so silly if I got out early just to get back in, just to get wicked out.
Oh no.
Yeah, this literally was about to happen. Watch this. No way.
Strong push back up. Let's see what it does at the 9, but this may be
the start of the reverse.
We wicked through that 89 area. I really thought we were going to get 80. That's the only reason I just kind of nonchalantly held it. So
yeah. Yeah.
So if we can get this candle to close and get a little pull down, I may exit the trade and see if it's going to get above our trend line now. But
Is that a bull flag forming? Probably, because we're both short. Yeah, the 5 minute, man. It looks like a beautiful bull flag on the 5 minute. But Nvidia's still curling down. So we gotta see.
And I mean, even on a 15-minute, I mean, it's still making a nice bull flag, but I kind of thought we'd go retest the box, that 279, 280 area, but I didn't want to get out of my long right here because this is kind of the candle I like to play.
Right.
But I probably need to see 2 green candles. It needs to be above this trend line for it to work out. So, I mean, it's pushing right back up. So
Yeah, that's a good wick. That's a
maybe
good.
this 292 is our shelf.
Ooh, came right back down though. Interesting. Fuck, as I get out.
I mean, we definitely got some support right here, right?
Ooh, man, it is teasing this short. It is stinking teasing this short, man. Like, it seems like it wants to fall off the cliff, but it's not falling off the cliff.
I mean, Miguel, it's crazy that it's just this slow all of a sudden. I mean,
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, I mean, every time I think, okay, there's my setup, there's going to be the long pop. It goes
Right.
back
Yeah.
down.
It rejects. I mean, look at that. It's rejecting again.
Hey, there's the wick down, so that may be, that's the 280 box bounce. I'm going to bring my stop down to 310, my runner to 310 to the top of those. The way it wicked down through there, guys, and popped back up, I think it was just cleaning up this mess. Maybe stopping out some of the longs. And maybe we get this pop, so. But we're guaranteed 40 points either way.
Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Let's see. Let's see.
Above our trend line.
21 test right here.
All right, runner hit. So now we're going to kind of look and see if this is going to be a turnaround.
Got 15 seconds.
Yeah. See, I'm having flashbacks from yesterday when I wanted to wait and let it retest, and then it never retested, and it just ran that 100 points on us.
Right.
I had that FOMO feeling, and
Ooh, let's see.
all right, I'm gonna try right there, guys. My stop's gonna have to be below this 280, just because I feel like 280 is gonna hold, but. And this is kind of no man's land too. I mean, we're not above the EMAs, so it's not the best. We maybe should have waited for one more green candle for confirmation, but yesterday it didn't let me wait. So
Right.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
nice, guys.
There we go, guys. There we
Yeah,
go,
there's your
guys.
12.15 point.
Stock filled.
Three hundred, 309, 10 points. Man, I'm trying to leave this runner. Where do you have your stop at for your runner?
I mean, I don't have a stop, but just mentally below 780, so
Oh, okay.
I don't want it to like totally get me. So it's a little kind of a big stop, but 770 roughly, just mentally.
Yeah.
I mean, if you wanted to be safe, if it comes down below 86,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you wanted to exit at the like 90, 90 area, if it wicked down, and
Yeah.
then you could wait and try to re-enter, in the 70s. But
Yeah, I got it at 95 right now, which I almost want to
Yeah.
bring it up a little bit, but let's see if we get that nice pop. Come on, baby. Let's see that pop. Live on the YouTubes. Woo!
yeah, I mean, there's 20 points there, so I'll take one off,
Come on, baby.
and now we're just gonna let the other one go.
Come on, baby.
And I took it off at the 320s just because that's our rejection point. That's our pivot point there.
Yep.
So if we're gonna come back down now, it's gonna be right here. And then I think we could easily retest the bottom of the box or the top of the box, 280s.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, push. Come on, push. Let's get a push. Let's get that stinking push. You stinking devil. Oh, don't you dare come back. Don't you dare come back after all that. No.
I mean, 2 candles ago, we didn't have a wick on the bottom of it.
There we go. There
So
we
it's had
go.
to come
There we
back.
go.
I mean,
Okay.
Yeah, look at the push. So
Yeah.
so now I think if you wanted to be safe, you could put your, I could put mine in profit at, right at break even 303, get a point off of it.
Yeah.
If it comes back down now, it's probably gonna push through it. So,
Yeah. I ended up covering because I finally went green on the day and I was like, son of a bitch. All right, let's see if we can get back in, though. I might get back in.
kind of want to put my stop there, but I'm afraid this candle's gonna close and test it. And let's see if we get a push up. And
Here we go. New candle.
I mean, the 9's trying to cross over the 21. If we could get those to cross over and get a good push,
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, man, that was a hard one. I should have stayed in it. You're so good at staying in trades, man. You're so good at it.
it's super hard, right? I mean, I understand why these guys do this. I mean, you get in a good spot, then you can just sit there and kind of let it ride.
Mhm.
But I mean, guys, if y'all watch my channel when I got my heart rate on there, I mean,
It's fun,
when I'm in
dude.
a trade, I'm in 4 minis deep. My heart's like 102, 105. I'm sitting in my chair.
Bananas, man. Shoot. Yeah, I should have stayed in. Everything's curling up real nice. VIX is going down real nice. How many seconds we got left? We got 5 seconds. Give me a little retracement, and then we might enter, because I think she's going to push.
I mean, we're gonna have a little bit of problem right here at the 30s. But come on, guys. Hey, now we're up 30 this way. So we got 50 the other way. We're up 30 this way.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Keep going.
Now we're up 40, guys.
Keep going.
Stock filled.
Nicely done, bud. Nicely done.
I'm gonna put the stop at the bottom of that candle.
Hell yeah.
And I think it's gonna have to come back and retest it, but
Great job, gang. Great job. Oh, yeah. Whew, I don't know, man. VIX is coming down pretty darn good. Nvidia is curling up perfectly. ES is curling up perfectly.
well,
Q's is.
I'll just move it back down here to break even.
Okay, well, no, I mean you probably are right. I could
Let's
see
go,
like,
guys.
yeah, maybe let it get wicked out at
just shoot-
324,
let's
and we re-enter at
just shoot for-
300s.
let's
Oh,
shoot for 50 points that way.
come on, baby. Yeah, I mean I shouldn't talk you out of it, man. You probably should keep that stop up there at 325, and then just re-enter if it comes down to
We'll
where your
just put
stop
it at
is.
3. Yeah, we'll put it right there.
Yeah,
All right, it's out.
yeah. We'll get back
We
in.
got 30. We got 35 points on that, guys.
That's pretty damn good.
So we've got a lot of it back. We're up 296 now.
Hell yeah. I'm up 27.94.
Good day, good day.
Good
Hey,
day.
but Greg's holding twice as long as he held yesterday, guys.
Hell yeah, right? Look at them baby steps. Just boop, 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 boop. You guys are seeing the progression in front of your eyes. Look at that. Look at that magic. This magic that's happening right here. I mean, that's kind of the cool thing about this concept too, though, is like you're a really, really, really good trader, right? You're a great trader. You're teaching us a lot. And I feel like I'm the trader that resonates with a lot of other traders because they see this. I have the same struggles that all traders, 98% of the traders have, right? And I feel like you're finally that 2% trader that's gotten past the struggle point that I'm at and a lot of other traders are at where, you know, I take profits too early or don't have the conviction, blah, 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 blah. So it's amazing seeing, again, just seeing, not to fluff you up too much here, bud, but seeing how long you can hold a trade is pretty damn impressive.
My chest can't hold much more.
Getting fluffed up too
Well,
much.
that's kind of, I mean,
Getting
and
fluffed
if
up.
you go back and watch some of our earlier videos too, I mean, we've had to progress as the market changes too, right? Because now
Yeah.
we're taking smaller trades. We're playing with some micros here,
Right.
but we're holding them for a lot longer. So we're getting the, you know, instead of us getting, you know, 10 points with a mini and getting $200,
Right.
now we're taking it with micros and we're getting 50 to 100 points.
Yeah. And again, I mean, yesterday, you know, with just M&Qs, you had almost $1,000 day, right?
Yeah,
And,
yeah.
you know, and not to say it's low stress, but you could almost consider that, you know, lower stress. Because a lot of those trades, you know, you made your money and then
Right.
you're just able to sit in that runner. And those runners were the ones that really stunk and paid, you know?
Yeah. Perfect bull flag played out right there. Should have entered a little earlier, but let's see if it breaks this top before we get too cautious.
And again, remember, we were originally talking about that M pattern as well. So there's still a chance that we come back up to the 360s just to sledge back down. Otherwise,
Right,
it
yeah.
seems like, you know, on the hourly 419, you know, 420 would be a very, very strong target.
And that right there is kind of why I wanted to wait, guys, because I didn't want it to wick right up here and then just come straight back down. So now if this 335 doesn't get popped above, maybe ready for another push back down.
Yep. And unfortunately, it's got to be a quicker day for me as well. I got to sign off probably in 5 minutes here. I got to go pick up my boat real quick, bring it back home, and then try to finish up the stupid fireplace, which is so stinking close. Every single day, it's like one more day, you know? And the
more
people are
day.
starting to be like, yeah, the people are starting to be like, the homeowners are like, come on, guys. It was supposed to be done by Friday. You know, we're like, all right. Just give us some time. I mean, so that's
Yeah, give
that's
it
the
4
one.
days.
I guess that is the opportunity that's in front of me right now. Is my buddy owns this woodworking company, and he's, you know, an artist at it. He's just gorgeous at building fireplaces and everything else. But his organizational skills, his management skills, and his business skills are shit. You know, he's probably operating like 50%. Every job that he goes into, ooh, look at you, about to go into that long ski.
I was
It
thinking
just seems
about
like
it.
it's
I don't
delay
know
after
what that-
delay and pushing this off, pushing that off. He just doesn't have it organized, just 100% yet. So I think that's the opportunity for me is I think I can go in, tweak this thing, perfect this thing, start hiring a bunch of people underneath us, and then we can kind of
Yeah.
back off it again. So it might be like a
Right.
1-year plan or something, but I think it would be a good business, especially for this area. The amount of new builds and new construction and everything else that we have. There's a lot of just
nice.
boring old shells basically.
Right.
Not that I'm gonna let it overtake this though. This is obviously a strong priority of mine. And, you know, as we see from Patrick, this is how you can get that $20 million a year lifestyle.
Yeah. We're just trying to get $20 a day, chat.
Dude, right? Which we got to talk offline again sooner than later. We got to start rocking and rolling on that course and everything too, man. I think, you know, I think that, I don't know. People would buy it. It doesn't have to be $150. It could be $20. Start with a $20 course. A little handbook. So again, great call out not to enter this thing. We were thinking about going long. We really wanted to break the 335s. It went up to 337, but just barely, and then fell off the cliff. So another great
it's
reason.
crazy.
Yeah.
Just kind of watching VIX, and VIX kind of bounced off the bottom of its box, and then this next candle just ripped. So.
Yeah, just friggin' catapulted. Yeah.
And you can't really follow VIX necessarily because it is behind us because we are the futures.
Yeah.
But if you see it coming down to a support or a pivot point
Yeah.
or EMAs, you know it's going to react. So
Yep, it's giving you
that's
something.
why I like just kind of watching it.
Yep. Man, but look at that. After we've had a lot of just nice trend, then we get this death candle out of nowhere. That's going to give a lot of people a little bit of pause today. Man, again, though, and I just got to try it someday and see if it's actually successful, if I'm just tooting my own horn for no damn reason. I feel like I'm a higher time frame trader, you know?
Yeah.
Like, look at this M pattern that's starting to play out right now. Did I not just say when it was going up, I was like, hey, guys, but don't forget, we talked about that M pattern possibly happening. And watch this thing friggin' sledge all the way down here, the 150s. Which, what is everybody... Man, I keep forgetting. I actually have, like, real money in stocks, and I always forget to look at them, like Google. My average on Google is 308, which we're only up $3 on it now. But I sold a lot at 340, which is nice. And then I started buying back in at, like, 306. But I just don't know with that guy. I don't know, like, 200s, you know, would be strong support for Google. I don't want it to sledge off 33%. 250s would be pretty good support as well. So I don't know if I want to buy in like crazy now in the 300s or if I want to wait for like the 280s, 250s, or I don't know what to do there. I want to get up to 100. I have like 30 shares now. I've been trying to average into 100 because I want to start selling covered calls on it.
Oh, yeah, nice.
But, yeah. So I don't know what to do because I don't want to take a 30% bath on. Not that it's a lot, you know, 100 shares is like, well, 30 grand, like 30 grand.
Yeah.
How do we feel about this little bear flag?
I mean, I almost bought it to go long, and then it kind of popped down here, so I still don't hate the long.
Yeah.
You could try a long with a stop below maybe 10 points, but...
Yeah, 82.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess kind of your other theory. I almost want to see it, break 300 with a little more conviction.
Right.
But then you're right. Then your stop is 20 points.
Yeah.
Ooh, man. What time is it? 10:38. That's kind of crazy how these candles are dancing right now, actually.
Yeah.
For a second there, I was like, it does look like it's about to rip up.
I mean, the 9's crossed back over the 21. It's got a gap in it now, so...
Yeah, so there's some
it's definitely
good,
not the smartest trade. It's just...
good strong pressure. You're right. Yeah. Yep. You're right.
But I love it right there at the 92s. Oh, shoot.
Ooh. Tough decision, man.
It really is. I mean, I don't know what.
300, 289, $20. Strong push down. 298, 284. Here's only 20 seconds left on this 5-minute.
The only thing that kind of makes me a little nervous is all these wicks at the bottom. I mean, they are higher lows each time,
but yeah, I mean, it's like, you know, kind of Patrick said too. Those wicks mean that's the direction that the market's kind of trying to go. Like if it was reversed, if we were at the high and the wicks were popping up and then we had bodies coming down, then it meant we're really trying to push up and we're going to break through.
Right.
So you're right. The reverse should also be true. That this should mean, these wicks should mean that it's going to sink.
On the 15-minute, we're still a real nice bull flag playing out. But
yeah. Alright, I think this is a time for me to walk away. I'll give it 30 more seconds just to see if something dances after this 5-minute, but...
yeah.
You know, it's that part where it's like, man, both directions look really good. So it means you shouldn't take either one.
That's exactly right, chat.
But I do kind of, I mean, look at this shelf now we've created. I mean, again, I'm just going to talk myself into it, but I don't know. I would punch along right now. Yeah.
Yeah, we're just kind of going sideways right here. I mean...
Yeah. 7 minutes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 minutes of a 10-point range. I mean, we're definitely going to get a big move sooner than later. We haven't touched any of our sessions, you know, any of like the Asian session highs, lows. Oh, I guess we did just do the London. I didn't realize our London session high was way the hell up here. So we did just take out our London session high at 353. All right, gang, I got to get going. I got to go pick up my boat from the dealership. $1,300 for an oil change, which is always a whole heck of a lot of fun. Especially when it's 40 degrees out right now. We can't use the damn thing.
Yeah.
But that's all right. But we really appreciate you guys. And look at that. Now it's freaking popping just a little bit. But was that the wick?
That was our long.
Is that the wick, though, for the shorts? Or is that the long? Yeah, that's going to be the long, isn't it? All right, I got to step away before I get too excited. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Like and subscribe at The Trading Cowboy as well. He'll usually take about an hour or two break, but then he'll be popping on sooner than later, and you guys can keep continuing to kill it.
Yeah, come see us.
Hell yeah. Otherwise, we love you. We'll see you bright and early 9:25 tomorrow morning. And stay green. Let's keep rock and rolling. Love y'all to death. I don't know. Nothing else to say there.
Yeah.